Stephen from Texas, it appears as I have an itchy trigger finger. Sorry I dropped you in the first hour. Welcome back, man. You are live.
Well, it's good to be here. Can I give you a little testimonial before I ask my question?
Oh, absolutely, man.
Found Dr. Wallach and then found you through him back in November. All I did was a tangerine because I was pretty skeptical. My vision got so much better in just a few weeks. I added everything else in, and I'm doing extra calcium and glucogel, growing some bone back. In the last 4 months, I've grown back so much bone. Most people think I'm nuts. But,
did you have arthritis?
No, but my shin bones, the top where it's supposed to be that rounded V shape, it was basically like a little ball sticking out. It was so away.
Yeah.
And my left knee, you can still feel the little ball a little bit, but it's, I figure another month and it'll be covered up.
Yeah, it's remarkable, isn't it? How do you feel? I mean, how do you feel?
Fantastic. Energy levels up. Eyesight's better. I had lower back pain is gone.
Sleep? How's your sleep?
I've always slept good. I've never had a sleep problem.
You were lucky because blood pressure, how about it?
From the 130s down to 108 over 65.
Yeah, but it'll never work. It just gives you expensive urine, right?
Well, my goal ever since I started this, that I'm also an insider with you.
Smart man.
Took my Christmas money my mother-in-law gave me and became an insider.
You go, man.
My goal was to never go see an MD ever again, and sadly, I tore a bicep loose Friday.
Oh, yeah.
So I got to go.
Well, remember, that's their wheelhouse, right? So there's no worries there. And, sometimes you need the devil you know is worse than the devil you don't know, right? So, better than the devil you don't know. So the MD has their place, and the place is in surgery and trauma care. Dentists, we all need to go to the dentist. Thank God for Novocaine. So what you need to be careful of, however, when you're darkening their door for acute trauma like this is you must refuse the CT scan. They're going to try to get you to have a CT scan, or 2, or 3. You want to tell them right up front, look, doc, I got you're an okay guy, but there is no way on God's green earth I'm going to have a CT scan. I just ain't going to do it. I want you to do an old-fashioned orthopedic exam. I want you to do a high-definition ultrasound, or give me an X-ray. But I am not going to do a CT scan, and I am not going to do an MRI and just see what they say.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
The rationale here, and you mark my words, Stephen, you just wait. It's only a matter of time until front page of the New York Times, right? 500,000 new cancer cases reported because of CT scan radiation.
Yeah.
500 times the amount of radiation for one chest X-ray from one CT scan. It's nuts. But the MDs, that it's like they don't care about what happens downstream. They only care about what happens that day in their office, right? That's their job, is to make as much money for the hospital as they can and, get as much diagnostic information as they can. And if you're not careful, you're going to be victimized, and prepare to be bullied, by the way. Prepare to be condescended. Prepare to be talked down to, and prepare to be bullied into getting a CT scan, but don't do it. Just don't do it, man. So, do you know if it was a full tear or a partial tear? You have any idea?
I'm pretty sure it was full tear. The muscle's about 2-3 inches higher than it should be.
Oh yeah. Well, then there you go. The only thing that's going to fix that is surgery. Now, but thank God for surgery, because if we didn't have it, man. You'd be like, the guy in the carnival, right? So there is stuff that you can do to support and promote your body's immune system and make your body strong pre and post surgery. So stick around with me. At the top of the next hour, I'll dial that treatment protocol right in for you, Stephen. I appreciate your patience and your support. Stick around.